Try this question. If A, B, C are vertices of triangle ABC, then S alpha where is? Find locus of its centroid. Now there is triangle in which one point is fixed and 2 points are variable. Here A has coordinates cos alpha, comma sin alpha. B has coordinates sin alpha, comma minus cos alpha, and C has coordinates 1, 2. This point is fixed point. These 2 points are variable. Why? Because alpha is variable. Say alpha belongs to R. We have to find locus of its centroid. जिस पॉइंट का लोकस निकालना है हम उसको h के अज्यूम कर लेते हैं. First of all, let's find coordinates of centroid when coordinates of vertices are given. That is cos alpha plus sin alpha plus 1 by 3, comma sin alpha minus cos alpha plus 2 by 3. These are coordinates of point P. Now we compare this coordinates with h comma k. So we have values of h and k in terms of alpha. So h is equal to cos alpha plus sin alpha plus 1 by 3 and k is equal to sin alpha minus cos alpha plus 2 by 3. Now here variable in the question is alpha. So if we want to establish a relation between h and k, we must eliminate alpha. कोई आइडिया इस केस में किस तरह से एलिमिनेशन होगा? यू आर गुड एट ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक एलिमिनेशन. इस तरह की एलिमिनेशन आप 10th स्टैंडर्ड में भी शायद कर चुके होंगे. वी हैव cos alpha plus sin alpha is equal to 3h minus 1 and sin alpha minus cos alpha, this value is 3k minus 2. When we have this type of expression, how we eliminate alpha? Simply by squaring and adding these two relations. So we have cos alpha plus sin alpha square plus sin alpha minus cos alpha square is equal to 3h minus 1 square plus 3k minus 2 square. Then replace h and k by x and y, and this LHS simplifies to here cos square plus sin square 1, again sin square plus cos square, that is 1, and middle term 2 cos alpha sin alpha from here and minus 2 sin alpha cos alpha from here gets cancelled out. So we have locus 3x minus 1 square plus 3y minus 2 square is equal to 2. This is locus of centroid. हम सर्कल चैप्टर में देखेंगे कि ये एक्चुअली सर्कल का इक्वेशन है. मतलब जो सेंट्रॉइड्स हैं वो इस सर्कल पे मूव करेंगे.